If you are a real estate professional and you're looking to create more Reels content without having to put your face on everything, specifically record videos where you're talking and looking at the camera and things like that, one of the easiest types of Reels videos to create are ones with quotes or helpful tips on them, just in the form of text. Right? So this can be done with tweets, it can be done with quotes, it can be done with tips that you have put out there or want to put out there. So we're going to dive into the exact tutorial. I'm going to show you my screen, got the laptop handy. I'm going to share my screen with you to go step by step on how we would create this inside of Canva. Now remember, like I always say, there are multiple ways to skin a cat. So I'm just going to show you one way, but there are so many ways that you can do this. You can get so creative with it or keep it simple. The choice is yours. But before we dive into that, quick intro. I'm Amanda Fezzolani, co-founder of Design for Agents, and on this channel we help real estate professionals close more deals by mastering your marketing, branding, production, and advertising strategies. So let's dive into actually creating these quote reels, right? So I'm recording my screen right now. You can probably see it up on the screen now. So here we go. You have exactly what my tutorial is for today. So we have Canva open. Now, quick disclaimer. You do need the Canva Pro account. I think it's like $12 a month that we pay for the Pro version, or $12.99. It is so worth it. I cannot tell you how much we use Canva on a regular basis for our marketing and advertising efforts, whether it be for real estate business with our team or for our e-commerce business Design for Agents. So let's dive into how to actually create this. So we're making a reel, so we want to make sure that we go up here to the top right corner and click on create a design. Now they have templates for you already, but essentially you're choosing the Instagram story template. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. In the event that you're logged into your Canva account and you don't see that, you also have the option of clicking that customize button, and you can just type in 1080 by 1920. So the width is 1080 and the height is 1920. And that is a vertical video, and you would hit create new design. So that's going to open up a blank template for you. Now I already have one prepared here, so I'm just going to close that tab. So this is our blank canvas essentially. And so one thing that's really cool about Canva is they have thousands of different templates for you to choose from. So for the purposes of this tutorial and making things super easy for you, I'm actually going to use one of Canva's templates. Now keep in mind, what I'm about to show you is going to be quick. You can do like 30 of these in one shot, just so long as you have like the quotes or the tips or whatever the case may be. And you can also look for quotes and tips and stuff like that online. It doesn't necessarily have to be off the top of your head. You could also spend a couple weeks just kind of like writing notes in your phone, coming up with different things, and then coming to the laptop to actually put those together. So one thing that's really cool about Canva is if I go to the design area, so the far left corner, design, and usually it will show you a few different templates available there. If you click on the search bar and you type in Reels, it's going to give you a bunch of Reels templates. Now remember, I mentioned you have to have the Pro account in order to use this, but we're going to go ahead and choose this one here, which has a sort of a moving ocean. There's like a little space for text, a picture, and what your social media handle is. So I'm going to go ahead and click the play button, and that's what it essentially looks like, right? So it starts off with that motion, which is really cool. I like it, but we want to tweak things, right? We want to change this up, because what the heck does the ocean have to do with you as a real estate agent? Unless you sell places near like nautical type things, like let's say you work Long Island and like specifically like Montauk or something like that, then that might work. Jersey Shore, something like that, right? So 30 seconds is way too long. What we want to do is customize this. So this is what it is going to look like when you're all done, and I'm going to show you how we got there. This is the video that you are going to create, right? So let's go back to here and show you how I did it. So we have our design here, and I'm just going to pop in just a little bit more, and we're going to go to the videos section on the far left corner, or far left bottom, and type in kitchen, right? And you can type in anything you want that's related to real estate or something like that. I'm sure if you type in like open house or neighborhood, properties, bathroom, bedroom, house, different things will pop up. This looks cute and it's exactly 7 seconds long. So I'm gonna go ahead and just drag that into there. Oops, mistakes happen. So we're gonna try that again, drag that into there. And now we have that moving kitchen image inside of our new template. Another thing that we're going to want to do is replace the photo with a photo of ourselves. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is go to my upload section and put a photo of me. So let's scroll through. You're seeing all of the different things that we use Canva for right now. And I'm going to just drop in that photo. And let's zoom into there so you can see it better, right? I'm going to double click on the photo so that I can center it a bit better. And obviously my name is not Kathy Williams, right? So we're going to update that to Amanda Fezzolani. So you would just put your name in there. I'm going to put my @ handle, Amanda Fezzolani. That's actually where you can find me on most platforms. And then we have the quote section. So this is really where you can, the sky's the limit, right? So if I show you the finished one and we zoom into there, I have a quote by Franklin D. Roosevelt. I'm just going to copy and paste this to make it easy. We're going to the one that we're currently working on that I'm showing you step by step. And what you can do is just highlight, and I'm going to hit Command V. I'm on a MacBook. But you know, whatever desktop you're on, you can use the short keys or just do paste. So it pasted it, and now look what we have. Ooh, issue. So this is a really easy fix. If you're new to Canva, you might feel like, oh my god, I broke it, it's not gonna work. But never fear, we got this. So I'm gonna click on the white box that's in the background, and I'm just gonna hover over this little area here, and now zoom in so you can see that better and kind of move that to the side. All right, so I'm gonna drag this down a bit so that it looks pretty good, and then I'm going to zoom out a bit because what I want is for this to be just about center on the overall design. So what I'm going to do is highlight the whole shebang, right? The white background, my name, my handle, my picture, and the quote, and I'm going to grab it and try to use Canva. You see those little purple lines that pop up? There we go. So now that's a bit more centered, looks better. It's going to look good on Reels, and we're good to go. Now I'm going to hit the play button, which is on the top right corner. And there we go. My Wi-Fi lagged a little bit there, but that is how it looks. And you can create so many of these. Technically your face is on it, but not really, right? It's just a picture of you. And super easy, seconds long. You can make multiples of them. So what do you do? How do you get this into your actual phone and post it and stuff like that? So on the top right corner, we're gonna click the share button, and then hover on this download, click on download. Make sure that MP4 video is selected, right? You don't have to adjust the quality. 1080 is perfectly fine for Instagram. And you're just gonna hit that download button. What's gonna happen is it's going to download the video for you. It'll be on your computer if you were working on this on a computer. Pro tip, you can also do this on your phone. But I do like working on the laptop a little better when it comes to doing design related stuff. But that's it. It's on your phone, and all you have to do is just schedule it, right? And you can schedule dozens upon dozens upon dozens of these. And the really cool thing is that you're never really gonna run out of quotes or tips or aha moments or things like that you've experienced in your real estate business. So keep in mind that this is meant to be a sprinkle part of your strategy. It's not meant to be your entire video content strategy. You do want to mix in videos of yourself sharing educational content. You should mix in some trending content. You should mix in some property tours and such, right? We have lots of videos on this channel breaking down different strategies that you can use for your content, for your advertising, for your branding, and all of those things. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that share button. We have a lot more content coming your way, and we're super excited about it. If you want content like this delivered to your inbox weekly in bite-sized pieces that you can, like, it's actually actionable content for your real estate business, sign up for Marketing Mondays. The link is in the description below. It's 100% free, and you'll get that email every Monday morning. Now, as always, I'm wishing you tons of happy new clients, whole lot of accepted offers and a whole lot of closings. I will see you in the next video.